Good morning, everybody. You're joining me bright and early in the garage. The sun is not even up yet, but we are doing something that is a long time coming. And you can see I've got the S8 running, the C7 A6 running. Never mind the green beast there. This one needs to be running. We're gonna get this out of the garage, and it's gonna go on a trip today. So yes, the day has come. This car will be hopping on a transport trailer and heading to Chicago to have Gabor rebuild the factory automatic. So at least I'll be able to drive this thing. And I must say, it looks pretty good for an old car that I pulled out of a impound lot. And I guess this can serve as my walk around for the transport as well. No major issues. It's actually a nice morning here in Minneapolis. Not so hot, not terribly humid. And then the only other task once he gets back will be to get some glass replacement. This one caught a couple rocks, and unfortunately it is still the original glass, and you cannot seem to find that anymore, and I cannot get that to focus, so I'll just have to insert a picture. But yeah, now it's like XYZ glass from China, so I'm sure that'll be awful. But at least it won't be 1,000 points of light as you drive into the morning sun. All right, I'm gonna flash forward here until we get this thing loaded, or we are loading, and we'll go from there and we'll talk about what's next. I have heard from the transporter, and he should arrive here within the next 10 minutes. So I'm just kind of hanging out here in the garage. And this is a good time for me to give props here. So as it turns out, this car and this car were both transported here. Like, that one came from Ohio. This one is now going to go to Chicago, but I unknowingly used the same person to assist me in arranging transport for both of them. And that is a gentleman by the name of Albert out in California, who owns Diamond Auto Transport. Albert is honestly like super nice guy, super responsive. Even with this car, I found him through the Quattro World forums. I had other people, talking about him, having used him for transport needs, etc. So I gave it a shot, and that was absolutely seamless. He was really, really responsive about, I had some questions kind of like when it was en route and when it may show up. And I mean, he was on top of it. So I used him again for this one. Turns out he's a fellow D2 S8 guy, and I think V8 Quattro, like, he's got a number of Audis too. So super great guy. If you're in the US and you need to arrange transport, like I said, he's based in California, but he has found me rides twice now wherever I kind of need to go. So he was actually going to be my choice to get this to Tucson before that whole fiasco occurred. So I'm just waiting for the transport to show up, and I think he is here right now, in fact. Well, it made it on to the truck in 4th gear, luckily. And it is off to Chicago. And there she is getting ready to leave. So next time we have this car, it should be running and driving. Thanks for watching. Another update soon. Cheers.